So today I am unboxing this package from Moonlight Creations. So this was a custom order that we placed with them for the puppies for something very special. And there's a cute little thank you on the front. Stitches for you. Okay. Pressure is on. Look at it. Oh my lordy, look at that. I'm so excited to open this. So, your little card, very cute. Oh wow. So we ordered a few things. This is our first set that we've ordered. Wow. This is gorgeous. So this is a split lead that I had ordered. Wow, that's gorgeous. And it's got their names. So this is for Griffin and Hans, and it's essentially like a lead that I can kind of have and have them close by. That is so nice. Wow. And then I ordered another one as well. Whoa. And that's for the 3 girls. Wow, that is gorgeous. And we've even got like, oh, come around. Dash Hound Emporium. I don't know if you can see on the handle. Wow. And then there's like a little tag here that says Moonlight Creations. And then we have the girls, they have their own with their name as well. Wow, that is gorgeous. Wow, I'm so happy. So that's that. And then I also ordered a while ago this lead and like a short lead, and that is just gorgeous as well. Look at that. Look at the detailing. I would have to say this is one of my favorite brands. Like, look at that. I'm so happy. And then I ordered this little collar for Hans, which I think I'm still gonna order some for the girls. They're just like an ID tag collar that they can wear in the house. It's not too heavy as well, but yeah.